welcome to Learning from Home. Our lesson today is migration of birds. Cold regions are part of the Earth system characterized by the presence of snow and ice at least part of the year. Hot regions are normally closest to the equator. The climate is hotter there because the sun's light is most directly overhead at the equator. Migratory birds migrate from the cold regions to the warm or hot regions at the beginning of autumn. And these arrows represent the pathways of migratory birds from the cold regions to the warm regions. Migratory birds pass through Lebanon twice a year in spring and in autumn. Some of these birds are ducks, partridges, swallows, storks, and pelicans. There are two reasons for migration: climatic conditions and protection of the young. The summer in cold regions is usually characterized by moderate temperature. Birds build their nests where the females lay their eggs. When the eggs hatch, birds take care of their young by feeding them and training them to fly. This stage in life of birds ends at the end of summer. When cold winter begins,
Migrants. These birds travel typically from United States and Canada to wintering grounds in Central and South America. The Arctic tern is an example.
there the young develop and mature. At the end of winter, birds migrate back to their original habitat following the same route they have taken before. And thank you.